And I just can't believe on how light this thing is. I mean, this is, look at this, one hand. It's super light. Look at it. It doesn't, it's so silly. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be reviewing the Roku TCL TV. 28-inch 3 HDMI LED and 802.11 and Wi-Fi. I already took it out of the box. Started doing some preliminary stuff. It comes with the stand, AC cable, screws for it. It is a Roku TV, so it has a traditional Roku remote. I just set up Wi-Fi. This is now your TV will get the latest software. Now, just so you know, this is a 28-inch. It has 3 HDMI inputs, which is really nice. It does have a legacy RCA connection input on the back. So if you have an older DVD player that has the red, white, yellow outputs, you can definitely use this TV for that. It does offer a USB port. That is the primary use that I'm using it for, because it could play movies via the USB port, which is what we're going to test out shortly. There are 3 buttons on the bottom, which will be beneficial to you if you lose this. But in this situation, in this demonstration, I do not need to do that. So this is just about done. This is a cool TV. I was going to get a 32-inch, but I decided to go 28 because I think 32 would have been a little bit too big. $6. That's the Energy Star on that. Estimated yearly cost, because it is an LED TV. So HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, AV antenna, Netflix, Roku media player, maybe that's it. So I'm going to plug in a hard drive with movies on it. And we're going to give it a shot. Okay, so in a nutshell, this TV cannot see extended FAT. It must be FAT32 or NTFS only. Just so you know, because I have a 1 terabyte hard drive right here, a Cobra Kai at the moment, and it plays perfectly fine. I have it in 1080p and it looks amazing. The other thing I'm actually looking forward to seeing if it happens is that if I power off the TV, it seems like the hard drive stays powered on. So the USB stays powered on with the TV off. And I don't like that. So the hard drive will still be spinning, so you need to put the TV in a power strip or some sort of or unplug the hard drive, which I thought is silly. But I do like the interface. It is relatively straightforward, so whatever stuff you have connected to these devices, you just select that particular input. This is my first Roku TV, I have to say, and I'm quite impressed with it. I like the fact that it does have 3 HDMI ports on it, and the traditional AV analog in, you know, the regular composite video left, right, and yellow input. TCL is starting to become a very, very popular television company. But if you guys like this video and you think this thing deserves a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. I truly appreciate you guys becoming a subscriber and watching my videos. Like I said, I give non-biased reviews all the time, and if you're interested in building one of these, this is a YouTube button that I built. It's for up to 10,000 subscribers. So believe it or not, this is Opal, and I created the Opal button, and I 3D printed it and put it in a box. So that's why it's here. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.